In this video, we'll briefly introduce the Excelog 6 and discuss how it can be used with the free Excelog software to monitor temperature directly to your PC. As we know, the Excelog 6 has 4 thermocouple inputs to the top, 2 RTD inputs on the side, a micro USB port for charging or logging directly to a PC, and an SD card slot to log directly to the Excelog. Now we've turned the device on using the front touch button, we're met with the home screen showing all 6 inputs. We can start logging here, display historical data here, edit our settings, or acknowledge all alarms. I'll now plug in a thermocouple input to the top, where we can immediately see the temperature starting to read. I'll now switch over to the Excelog software. So we're now in the Excelog 6 software, which can be downloaded for free on the Calax website, on the Excelog 6 page, or on the software page. We have a live temperature reading here from the Type K thermocouple plugged into channel 1, as well as historical data at the bottom. If we heat the probe up, we can see the temperature start to spike, and the temperature will decrease when we move it away. The Excelog 6 settings can be configured. Each channel can be configured separately, where we can select multiple thermocouple types. We can configure the cold junction to use either the Excelog's internal cold junction or an external cold junction in something like an ice bath. We can configure the differential to display differences between 2 channels or a temperature change over a chosen sample period. We can manually apply an offset to the calibration under the correction tab, and we can change the display options. We can alter the power options here to enable power saving on the Excelog or set an idle time. Multiple languages are available, including French, English, Spanish, Italian, German, Japanese, and Chinese. We can synchronize the date and time from the PC and apply that to the Excelog. Data logging can be started here. We can change where the file is saved, the sample period, and the number of samples taken. Logging can be started by pressing Start. A flashing SD card symbol here shows that we are logging. Logging can be stopped again under the same tab. We can change the graph data to only show certain thermocouples plugged in, or reset the graph entirely. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.